Hello guys, in this video I'll show you India's own AI platform similar to ChatGPT, Claude, Quen, DeepSeek. So it's developed in India, developed by Indian developer. It's called as Sarvam AI. If you directly type this on Google, the very first website which comes, Sarvam India Full Stacks AI platform. So once you go to this, I will show you how to use this. You click on sign up and then you can use your Google account to sign up. It gives you 1 million creators are already using it. No credit card is required, so you can continue with your Google account. So basically, they are telling it it's similar to Chat GPT. But let me try this and actually show you whether it's good or not. And it gives you 100 free credits once you sign up. So you click on continue to coding agent. So coding agent for this now, it's a new website created. It's not available. So whenever it will be available, then you can continue. Apart from that, they have their own API as well. So they provide a API key for every model of 11 plus Indian languages, everything. So as you see, they have instructions for installing this SDK directly inside your machine. Either you can use it through pip or Node.js. So simply install this and you can integrate this with popular AI coding editors like Cursor, Claude Code, ChatGPT. You can read more about it. And they also have a playground section as well where you can actually try out all the AI models for totally free. So the interface looks something like this. You get 100 credits. So let me ask a message. From here you need to adjust. So as you see, I simply ask a question, summarize the key highlights of Indian Union Budget 2026. So actually it is answering it. So this is actually using its own model, Sarvam 105 billion conversation. This is the name of the model that they have. So they have their own server models, or you can even use open source models as well. The speed, I will say that it's slightly slow as compared to other AI models that we have in the market. It's slightly slow, and you can even use open source models as well. If you select it, you can use GLM, Google Gemma 4 as well. So let me select GLM and then show you. Interface also doesn't look good, and it's very slow as well. So I think that it needs improvement. The UI also doesn't look very good, so you get this error. So this endpoint is currently in beta and doesn't available to request beta access. So yeah, so fully this website is not made fully. Most of the things are in beta phase. So whenever it will be released properly, I will make a video on this. So this was just an introductory video that India has released its own AI platform, Sarvam AI. So you get this 100 credits if you go to the account. Total request, as you see, we made, and it cost us 1,000 tokens. And this is the money that we spent. So it gives you this 100 credits, which cost you tokens whenever you make the request. So the playground section again. So basically they have this document agents as well. You can extract data from PDF. It can be any document such as your PAN card, your Aadhaar card, anything. It can extract data. It can be a PDF file. Let me just try this with a simple PDF file. I upload a PDF file as you see that, and I want to extract the data. So now as you see, I uploaded this, it is processing it. Once it completes, you will get the notification. So basically, you see health insurance. These are some of the templates which are there. So basically, whatever is the data, it's actually extracted. So now as you see, it has completed this. This is our PDF file. It successfully extracted all the data which was there. Plain text, it already extracted. You also have the option to download this as a Excel, CSV, JSON file. So we also have deploy as API endpoint. So you get this option. You can make an API right here. So you need to provide a API key for this. You can also deploy this as a API endpoint. So all these features are there. It gives you 100 credits whenever you sign up, so you can actually use all these agents. You also have a content agents as well, which can clone and synthesize your voices, dub your voice into 10 plus languages. So quite a number of features are there. So you can try this if you're making a YouTube video. You can dub your audio, you get 33 minutes. Congrats, your account includes 30 minutes of free dubbing time. Upload a video to try this. So basically, you actually can record or actually upload a video. If you have a video which have your own voice, so let me just, I have a video that has my own voice. So let me just restore this and basically select this. It can be 1 hour or 2 GB. This is actually the limit. So it is saying only MP4, MOV, MP3 WAV files are supported. That was MKB file. So 30 minutes of free dub video. You can even record directly if you have a web camera. So we allow, and we can basically click on start recording. Hello guys, my name is Gautam and basically I'm recording a sample video. So right here you select your language, number of speakers, select it, stop recording. So recording a sample video. So as you see, right here you select your language, number of speakers, select it, use this video. Select your target languages. If you want to convert this into Gujarati, you can select multiple languages, Bengali. So I simply click on create dub. So now what it will do, it will try to actually, so it will in progress. So once it completes, your audio will be dubbed in these languages like Gujarati, Bengali. The original language was English, and then you can also download the actual video. So this is a very unique feature which is there inside this AI platform. You can dub, clone your voice as well. So basically it just takes some time for doing this, transcribing it, processing video. So then at last it will translate. So now first of all it processes the video, then transcribing it and then translating it. So all these things are done by the Sarvam AI. So various agents are there. So it's completed now. So it's now exporting it. So click on download. Let me just check out the output result, how this looks like. So let me open the video. So if I try to open this video, hello guys, હું ગૌતમ છું અને અત્યારે એક સેમ્પલ વિડિયો રેકોર્ડ કરું છું. અહીં તમે તમારી લેંગ્વેજ અને સ્પીકર્સની સંખ્યા સિલેક્ટ કરી શકો છો. So you can see that guys, it's looking like a perfect video translated in Gujarati. It's actually This is my own voice which has been translated and dubbed into different language. Same goes I think for Bengali as well. Let me select and download this as well. So now this is Bengali. This is a great service which is actually hello guys আমি গৌতম আর মূলত আমি একটা স্যাম্পল ভিডিও রেকর্ড করছি এখানে আপনার ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ আর স্পিকারের সংখ্যা সিলেক্ট করুন so guys you can see that it's a very good feature you get 30 minutes of free output video dubbing you can check out this platform Sarvam AI which is a Indian created platform it has all these features definitely check this out